Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Metatrader 5 application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metatrader 5 application on your Android device, and once you open it up, you have the option to either open up a demo account or log into your existing account. Tap on the accept button first, and then you will see the open a demo account option. Now, if you wish to log into your existing account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Manage Accounts. You can now add a different account by tapping on the plus icon. You will then need to find your broker by using the Find Broker option, or you can use the MetaQuotes Software Corp server. You will then be asked to enter your credentials. Enter your login ID within the login section and then enter your account password. Then choose your server from the drop-down menu and then tap on the login button, and you will be logged in to your Metatrader account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Metatrader 5 account on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.